So we'll do Christina on the left, Patrick
We
on the
good
middle,
fire?
Aaron on the right.
Okay.
And then best two competitors first one
Safety's
off the
still
top
on.
two.
Well, like
When
everybody
I
gets
trigger,
5
it's
rounds.
nothing.
Okay.
You touch it and it goes.
1, 2, 3.
My recommendation would be to, when you get the gun in your hand, is fire.
Pushing him back. All over the place.
Just so quick.
You gotta find that sweet spot.
Yeah.